Good morning, Cougars. My name is Will Larson.
And I'm Natalia Ramirez. Today is February 13th.
And we're back with another episode of Cougar Roundup.
Hey, Will, do you know what month it is?
February?
Well, yeah, but it's also Black History Month. Margot and Levon are here with more on that.
Thanks, guys. Students and educators opened this important month to our school by hosting the Black History Month Assembly. Let's hear more from them on the topic.
Ms. Ledbetter and I worked together as the adult liaisons for the school to help plan the assembly for what the students' vision was. And the students put it together. We held the meetings and did all of the stuff that was needed that the students couldn't get done. So I was more of the person who sets deadlines and sets the meetings, and we would get everything done that needed to be successful.
It is such a good experience to learn how to organize a huge event, something that someone could put on their resume, and just having that experience and to see how it feels when you accomplish something and that it actually turns out well. It's such a great feeling.
Someone would want to be a part of this assembly because we do different things every year. Like, sure, we might have some people come back if the school really liked them, but the whole agenda is like basically a blank page that you get to play with. It's not like that for other assemblies.
I think it's important because I believe Black history is American history, and I think that it's important to know what your American history is as you're a person living in America or a citizen of America.
I really appreciate the students, and it made the experience fun for me to be able to work with the students. I loved it.
So I think you should want to be a part of this. Like, if you didn't enjoy the way some of this went, like, you can help join this committee and then help make some of those ideas happen, some of those ideas that you didn't see. And yeah, I think it was just a really fun committee to be in.
Thank you to our student leaders and sponsors for making this event possible. This is Margot and Levon signing off for KUGR. Back to you guys in the studio.
Thanks, guys. You know, I've been thinking about some philosophical stuff recently, but I don't know who to talk to about it.
You should totally go to Young Skeptics. Angel and Daniel asked the big questions last Wednesday.
Do you wish to have your opinion heard? Come join Young Skeptics Club. This is what's in store for you.
Completely foreign and to us useless, essentially.
So Rylan Prosser actually asked me to be the sponsor of it. I was fortunate enough to have him in 8th grade, and I guess he liked that I would do controversial questions, which fit the club's bill.
Right, that are very simple, like killing is wrong, right? Like, generally speaking, killing is wrong for the vast majority of society.
Then it's the question of if they have no, parenting, they don't have a backstory, what kind of morals?
They've discussed dang near everything, and some of it goes right over my head. It's gone from AI to moral dilemmas to controversial issues going on in politics today. The last one they just did was trying to form their own society on the idea of more or less resetting social standards. Overall, they're really relaxed. They're a great group of kids that, in terms of accepting, will accept multiple different perspectives and are really just there to learn from different perspectives when it comes to talking about controversial issues.
If you wish to be involved in interesting conversations, join the Skeptics Club. Back to the studio.
I'll make sure to pop by next Wednesday. Hey, Natalia, have you been keeping up with our basketball teams lately?
Yeah, they've been doing super well. It's been so much fun to watch.
It really has. Kaya and Natalia organized a game between the members of the basketball team and KUGR to see who will dunk on the other. Small Northwest, that's all we have for you today.
Tune in next week for another episode of
Cougar Roundup.